friends, my name is Basan. So now this is my second part on modern SharePoint starter kit. So how we can create it. So as you see, first of all you need to download this or clone this from click this link and you can open a desktop and download as a zip. So once you have download, I have already downloaded, you will see in there are a couple of folders and one is assets, documentation, package, provisioning, sample -lob service and solution. The assets folder creating the basically the asset that are being used in the templates. For example, images, these are the images being used, and some of the functions, some of the documentation, these are the contoso report documentation I use. And for documentation, these documentation are for prerequisite and some of the errors that you may get during the installation of the PowerShell script, installation, not a PowerShell script, installation of this PNP startup kit. So and the package, you will get this starter sppkg file where you will find the list of the available WebParts or the extensions. And the provisioning side, these are the main file that is being used, and some of the settings, and I will show you each and every settings. And so, and the third one is the LOB center. Basically this is just provided just examples, and if you want to use, you can use this solution, and you can use the solution and create you can use this solution if you want and deploy it as yours. So this is not currently, and this is just an example. And the solution, if it's basically PNP framework, in which you may be aware of the SharePoint, where you can create the extensions in the WebParts as well. So these are the WebParts: the banner, follow-up site, links, LOB, integration, people directory, calendar, contact, email, task, and these are tiles and the world time that I've already showed you in my previous video. So these are the WebParts, and these are the services that is being used, the taxonomy services for, and the user profile services for taxonomy purposes, and the user profile for store the information of the user profile, the links into the text user profile. So these are the services that being in use. And the extensions are basically the alert and the header, collaboration footer, portal footer, redirection, and the tab page. So these are the extension, and this is the common one. This is my link. So basically this my link is being used for both of the sites, the main portal site as well, and the HR and the marketing site as well. So this is as per the convention that is put into the common folders.